To enhance your Rocket League installation experience in 2025, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth and efficient process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before starting the installation, verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Rocket League. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Download the latest installer. Visit the official Rocket League website or a trusted platform to download the most recent version of the game installer. Ensure that you are downloading from a reliable source to avoid any corrupted files. Step 3. Disable background applications. To prevent any interruptions during the installation, close unnecessary applications running in the background. This can help free up system resources and speed up the installation process. Step 4. Run the installer as administrator. Right-click on the downloaded installer and select Run as Administrator. This can help avoid permission issues that might cause the installation to loop or fail. Step 5. Verify game files after installation. Once the installation is complete, launch the game and check for any updates or file integrity issues. Use the Game Launcher as a built-in verification tool to ensure all files are correctly installed and up to date. Following these steps will help you successfully install Rocket League and enjoy the game without any installation loops. Happy gaming!